Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're talking about unusual options activity. Alright, let's kick it off with a disclaimer here. Alright, so this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence to realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright, I say all that for a reason, everyone. You know, options are extremely risky if you don't know what you're doing, so make sure you put the time in to learn everything. You know, if you don't know what selling to open options are, you know, if you don't understand, you know, the difference between buy to open, you know, buy to close, sell to open, sell to close, you know, just basic things like that. If you don't know what a vertical spread is, I would say that you should not be trading options. You know, options require a lot of work to be put in the beginning. But you know, if you become a skillful options trader, you know, it's one of those activities where it takes a lot of time to learn in the beginning, but it pays off in the end. You know, if you have the patience and if you can control your frustrations and everything, it really pays off in the end. So just remember, you got to put a lot of time in up front and really learn this stuff. What I did is I got good at trading stocks first and did a lot of research just on stocks and just, you know, basic fundamental things to understand about companies, like how to value them and everything. And just, you know, watched stock prices for a while and just, you know, got a good grip on that and learned how to trade stocks. Then I moved into options. So I just want to throw that out there, that options are extremely risky and you must know what you're doing if you're going to be trading options. So, all right, everyone, that's really important. Okay, so first one I want to bring up is LAC. This is Lithium America's company. Now this is a lithium mining company. This is a really speculative one. I've been coming across a lot of these speculative ones that can, you know, make a nice move and make you a lot of money. But there's, like I said yesterday, there's volatility to the upside and volatility to the downside. This one was down 17% today, but you know, somebody was buying, and I think I've been watching this one for a while. I've been waiting for a big pullback, and now we're in these ones. So I found these April 30 strike calls. Somebody was buying these ones here, and you know, there's some nice orders in here, 158, 100. It's a sweep trade. You got to go through, count them up. Someone else was also buying some of these, and these are not cheap options, everyone. These are about $710, $750 this person paid. We have a position in these ones, and we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the chart. So this is why I say it's speculative. You know, this one was $1.92. You know, went all the way up to 28 yesterday, and pretty much gave up all those gains and traded down today because they did a share offering. You know, so we'll see what happens with this one. All right, next one is MJ. This is the ETF Managers Trust Alternative Harvest ETF. So as you can see here, we have a position in these March, what are these? These March 22 calls. So this is a ETF comprised of marijuana stocks. So as you can see here, there's just a lot of buying in general. You can, you know, see these right here. People are buying these February 25 calls. This is a cheap bet. I don't know. I did not take this one because this is really far out of the money. This stock's trading at about 20. So let's see if I can find these ones again. March, yeah, 22 strike call. So yeah, as you can see right here at 842, there's somebody coming in buying a lot of these ones. You know, 524, and these are all at the same time here, same price paid. So I think that these are all together here from my analysis. All right, guys, really take that into consideration, what I said at the beginning. You know, I'm proud to do this channel and proud to bring you guys these trades, but you know, you just have to make sure on your end that you know options, because it's extremely risky if you don't know what you're doing. And you know, I kind of just jumped into it in the beginning, and you know, I lost what I lost. I lost, you know, good amount of money just trying to learn. And if I would have put more time in, you know, learned the more fundamentals of options and just, you know, more of the basic stuff, I wouldn't have lost all that money. So I don't want to see you guys do that. Make sure you put the time in, ask questions down below. You know, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you guys, and I want you guys to not make the same mistakes that I did. Always remember that I'm here to tell you guys what I do and why it works for me, and hopefully you guys can learn from that. All right, everyone. Sorry for the little speech there, but you know, that's really important that all you guys understand that this is extremely risky. This is not like trading stocks. You only have a certain amount of time for this trade to work. Otherwise, your option goes to zero. You lose all your investment. So, all right, everyone. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. Let's keep the subscribing up. I really appreciate it. Always comment down below if you guys got questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help give you guys my advice, and hopefully you guys can learn from it. We'll see you in the next one.